We're in Hollywood, Florida, and it's beautiful. Look, there's this great walkway and beach, and all these little homes and apartment rentals. It's really pretty here. How cute that little house is. No pets allowed. These little interesting houses. How interesting. Aren't they something? So we're in Hollywood, Florida. We walked the boardwalk, which I showed you. I love this place. Paper straws, paper cups. I guess Hollywood is not allowed to have plastic, single-use bottles. So look at this beer we got. It's humongous in a paper cup. Oh, and my little water and my giant beer. I've never had beer in a paper cup, but it tastes really good when it's hot and humid here. This place is really beautiful. I think I actually like Hollywood better than Fort Lauderdale. It's so nice. Look at this view. It's gorgeous. What are these? How cute. Oh my gosh, I've never seen that. Have you? The object of the biodegradable paper cup is that you need to drink the beer before the cup biodegrades. I'm not doing too good. My cup's getting a little soft, but I gave half my beer to my hubby. We're at the taco joint in Hollywood. We just ordered cauliflower and kimchi tacos. They're so good. And it came with corn on the cob and rice and beans. Ooh, my mouth's on fire a little bit from the kimchi. And it was only like $12. It's much cheaper here than down in Fort Lauderdale area. But it's really nice. And now we're gonna eat. These tacos were amazing. It was so delicious, as you can see. And it was a little spicy. So I got like 20 million napkins with it. So this is downtown Hollywood. Hollywood, Florida. Hey, check out our merch store with our logo and cool travel designs. All of our clothes are made with 100% cotton or organic cotton, all colors and sizes. Tees, tanks, hoodies, and more, along with accessories like mugs, glasses, cell phone cases, and masks. Please support our channel and get some cool merch. Store link in the description.